Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shandine. If you are new here, I hope you'll consider seeing and subscribing, and if you're coming back, thank you so much for watching another video. I wanted to show you guys how I do my very simple makeup, and I didn't even plan to do a video, but I was just recording it and I thought, why not just make a video and done and chat. Before you watch this video, I have a disclaimer to make. I am not a makeup artist. Don't come for me, okay? I look like a handicap doing this, but do not come for me, okay? Okay. So I talk about my hair and what's really going on with it, just to kind of let you guys get a feel of what's going on with me more. And I talk about my hair journey and what I've been through in a couple of years and whatever. I'm gonna shut my face off. I'm just fixing some makeup. I'm not really gonna win, but I'm fixing my makeup. Maybe hubby can come home and I'm fixing. Maybe I'll put on a lingerie. I joke, I have a toddler. She don't like sleep. But he can come home to me looking pretty, right? Yeah, he can come home and look pretty sometimes. Even if my camera go all the way. So anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video and talk to me. Tell me what go on.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel.
Alright, go on. Alright guys, so as I said before, and I'm totally going to film an intro to this, I just found myself doing some makeup in the house and figured that I would show y'all what I'm doing, how people who are not really makeup artists or really good at makeup do our makeups. And of course, like I said, while I'm doing that, I'm going to tell you guys about my hair. So I want to show y'all, I'm going to insert a picture to show you guys where my hair is coming from. Right, I have fairly decent hair. When I say decent, I mean strong. I have strong hair, right? It's like I've done basically everything to my hair. If it could talk, it's what I tell me. I say, "Gallium." Okay, literally, I've been, and when I do things, it's not salon. So anyway, what I was saying was, when I'm doing stuff to my hair, is not necessarily salon quality things that I'm doing to my hair. Okay, I started abusing my hair a long time, like high school, long time. I first got a relaxer when I was 12. When I was 12, when I was about to graduate primary school, that's when I got my first relaxer. My mother had stopped doing my hair about a year before and said, you know, yeah, big girl, let's come here, yada yada yada. Big mistake. By the time you're ready for graduate, my big puff parts of my head just shrink down to a little tuft. Okay? So bad idea. Every day I would catch up my hair, put it in a puff. When it wasn't in a puff, what happened was I would plait it, and one side would be bigger than the other side, and would just cut it down rather than pull it out. You know, like a bit mistake. Rather than do all of that, I'm just cut it down. Cut down the other side. We have too much hair for make it. If one side longer than one, but just cut down the other side for the two of them to be on the same level. So suffice to say, by the time I was graduating, my hair was a hot ass mess. Okay, and then it cream. I'm gonna go to high school. One of the first atrocities that I committed was trying to cut a bang. Maybe I can't find one picture show, but I tried to cut a bang, and nobody didn't tell me say, you know, for hold down the area and stretch it when you cut the bang. So I'm gonna cut the bang, And by the time I let it go, you know, say flight up at top. So long time I abuse the hair, right? By the time I reached sixth form, I didn't really comb my hair much. Like 1 and 2 times I'd do a style, but because I had migraines all throughout, I started having migraines when I was 15. So from that point on, I basically stopped combing my hair. So you'd see me with 2 little clips or 2 little, what them call it, flash twist at the top, and the rest would either be me cane it and then pull it out, or but just wet it up and gone a road. So my hair, most people who knew me knew my hair as being unruly for that reason. By the time I reach our sixth form, guys, I start coin shade it out. A little bit of personality in the hair and all of that good. So I'm start coin shade it out. When we leave high school now, when I graduated sixth form, excuse me. When I left sixth form now, I started to bleach it out. And not good something. I mean, basic white and peroxide. Bleach it out. Okay? I've made it from root to tip. It wasn't even like, you know, they do it 1/2 inch from the root. No. All of it, like from root to tip. Bleach it right out. I'm honey blonde walking around. Them time copper sunset was the, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, here, hey, my hair been doing some things, child. By the time I cut on to probably about in a college days now, because I didn't go straight to college afterwards. I basically just started to do some, I started going to the hairdresser and whatever, and I tried to behave, but don't come for me. You hear me telling no? Don't come for me. So well, basically just start go hairdresser and, you know, left my hair to its own devices, and it grew, but I was scissors happy.
You going to listen to me or not?
So let me see, scissors happy, but it's a child thing. Only don't come for me. Let me see. So I was scissors happy, but my hair was healthy. Right? Good things. That even make no sense. So look at that, not make no sense. But I know that my makeup artist sisters went to come for me. But Cody, leave me alone. I can see you watching this and judging me, and me go want to just leave me alone. Okay. So now eventually move come out town for college and them thing there. Go a hairdresser. Couldn't find no hairdresser at all I like, and started my hair myself. As in relax my hair myself. So hair was fine and everything. Again, like I said, scissors happy. I really like a blood cut, so that's another thing. And then what else did I box about the place with the hair bleached out same way, collides, you know, all this abuse. And then one day I just, no, I lie, I'm tell you what happened. But I created myself for a couple of years. I tried a whole relaxed hair journey thing where I was doing the methods and the blah blah blah, because I'm trying to have long hair right now. But again, Mrs. is happy and I love a blood cut, so it just never did work out for me. Also, they were saying, oh, use this product, oh, use that product, and me I try products and nothing really work. I got pissed off. Anyway, eventually I gave up on that idea and basically just left my hair to be I decided I'm done with that. Sayonara, everything enough for everybody. Leave that alone. And then my hair started to grow and to flourish. Cool. No problem, not in that. Then I got married. And it was like funny story. I'm sorry, I'm looking for a brush. Hold on. So come back. So like I was saying, what happened now is that I was getting married. I got married. That was 2015 or something like that. I was getting married and it was a week before my wedding, and my friend was like, so you decided what you're gonna do here? And by this point I had stopped doing sewings. I didn't really, my headaches were just getting worse and the sewings were making it worse, and I just gave up. It was just too much. I'm very lazy, and you're gonna find out that when it comes to my hair, and you're gonna find out that. But the point is, it became just such a chore, and I was getting married and my friend was like, so what are you gonna do with your hair? And I'm staring at her like a deer, and I don't know. I don't have a hairdresser. I didn't think about it. I'm sorry, just there's certain things that I don't want to do. I don't want to be the person responsible for. I just think something better left to professionals, and that's just one of them. So even with the rest of my wedding, before I won, you guys, I won a free wedding, which are the best thing that happened to me in life, because when my friend started asking me questions about the planning, she was going to help me plan my wedding, and then when she started asking me questions, guys, it's like the questions that she's throwing at me, I'm just stop, because I'm like, you have to figure that out too. Like, people that just show up and get married. Anyway, eventually I did decide to get a wedding planner, but because I know that part that they never did for me and whatever. But anyway, what am I there? I'm there with the story. Yeah, so boom, wedding I come up, and I have no idea. Don't judge me. It's bad, right? It's bad. It is so bad. Anyway, wedding I come up, I'm gonna have no hairdresser, and I just don't know what to do, and I feel like I want to cry. The wedding I come up, I don't know what to do. I feel like I want to cry, and she recommended her hairdresser to me, so I started going there. So I started going to her hairdresser, and I'm just stuck. I'm such a creature of habit, guys, like you don't even understand. I'm not gonna post this, cause this don't look right, but they tell me from day one I can't do makeup, so don't judge me. Anyway, if it work, like if it help me just stop the madness. If I don't look like a clown when I don't, I'm going to post it. But I like me going. I'm not going. That's how you learn, or you practice. I know some of the day I laugh, and especially with no makeup artists. I know some of the day I laugh off of me, but I don't know still. I don't know. I don't know. So anyway, found the hairdresser now. My good husband say I want to see my real ear for him wedding day and everything there. So I just say, alright, cool. And I like some have no plans. He likes my hair. And I'm like, alright. I'm just gonna do my natural hair. And do that. And then I just latch onto her and don't left. Like, you know, they bring home my stray dog. And that happened. I just don't left. And I just went to see her whenever my hair want to do. For the next couple of years, I just went to her, got pregnant, went to her, breed once a year or so. the natural hair movement has never interested me, guys. Really and truly, because I know for a fact that even I skipped over this, but when I was leaving high school, I had stopped creaming my hair for a couple of months, and then by the time I was ready to graduate, I did cut off all the cream hairs. I was pretty much natural. Guys, I kept it for a week, and then I took my little butt to the salon. So that's how tolerant I am. That's how patient I am. I took my little butt to the salon. 1 week. That's how far I made it. So I knew that, you know, natural hair is not something that I'm not gonna tell you that I have some, oh, I found my roots and I just want to be one with nature. No, I'm tired, but so I know that I can manage my hair. I still know that I can manage my hair. I'm not even going front, but I just got tired. Do you know what I mean? Like, my hair did long and then I cut off some nights and then I didn't like it. Because like I said, I like a blonde cut. So then me like it and me rock it and something happen and it start, you know, I said, wait girl, what to you? I want something different. So I cut it out, it grew back too fast. Within like 2-3 months, it was back to the original length. I said, no girl, I never that me did mean. But I just got to a point where I was just like, all right girl, you need to do something before you end up in a barber chair. Not that there's anything wrong with going to a barber, but I was really and truly going to end up in a barber chair and not be sure about the decision because, ooh, your girl is like that, okay? I make decisions on a whim. So I was like, all right, get a hold of yourself, girl, and just put in some braids. So I did that. I got some braids. That was about a year ago, and intended to wear it for a month like I generally do. I was like, all right, by the time I should mention that I was also like so tired of going to spend a day to do my hair because, among other things, one of the reasons why I just didn't like, I like to see when my hair is long, but I don't like the upkeep. And I prefer to get a set when I go to the hairdresser rather than have it blow dry because it just looks flat on my head and all of that. And then it requires products to keep it moisturized and all of that. But when I get a set, I can just go about my business for a week or two and it will still look very nice. Do you know what I'm saying? So anyway, but I just got tired of the whole process and all of that, and I was like, all right, just get some braids, and then you could make a decision, or maybe you'll feel a little bit less restless after that. By the time the end of the month come, I was overseas. I was like, all right, let me keep it in another 2 weeks because I normally pull out my hair after 4 weeks. It start lock, like it start rust and lock and all of that. So I was like, all right, cool, let me get this hair, you know, pulled out. So 6 weeks now, I know some man push my limits and whatever. I'm thinking, all right, I don't really want to cream it back yet, but what can I do? Like, so I asked my aunt, you know, so how much for the hair and whatever. She told me like a couple $100, and I'm like, which one? I can't my ear. That's a young at girl. So me spend hundreds. So I just went and got a box of cream, a box of relaxer, and relaxed my hair. Boom, cool. So that's how I ended up. I braided the hair in September. That was in November now. cream the hair, come back home a couple of weeks later, and Christmas I come, my ear can't look like crap on Christmas. So, okay, Shadeen, the time is upon you. What are you gonna do? Go to the hairdresser. I don't really feel like it. So I braided my hair myself in the bathroom. Wreaked havoc on my back, but that's what I did. All right, cool. Now take it out of the way for another month. January rolls around. Oh god, I stopped. But January rolled around, and now it's like, well, babe had school, so things kind of pick up pace in my life, I would say. And then stop jumping on the bed, please.
Okay, mommy.
So things start pick up pace in my life, and my business, like, you know, there was just so much to do. Babe was really buckling down for exams now, and still started school. So now me town, our family has one car, so now me town all housewife, all suburban man, me a drop off, me a pick up, me a do housework, me a do meet clients between this hours and that the hours, me a pick up this one and pick up the other one, they drop off this one. Listen, child, that never made going to the salon any more attractive to me. So when time came, pull out and do it again. Next time come, pull out and do it again. Then boom, coronavirus come. So now everybody's asking me, oh, so you're gonna try me now? So what you do? No, I'm just like, give me here a break, cause that's what I was doing, really and truly. Just
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
no, but just got through and a corona time and all of that good stuff, and girl, guys, I don't really contour like that. Like I said, don't judge me. It's not a me practice. I just do what you do and work with it. Cool. So I'm just like, all right, I'm gonna stop. Got through the pandemic, something here. Do what I need to do, which is to braid the hair myself. And got through. You don't know, so I'm gonna start finding myself across the ear every time me redo it now. Boom. Oh, something there. Anyway, boom. Every time you need to do the ear now, a big cut off of one. Like I'm cutting off 2 to 3 inches. I'm like, girl, y'all go natural. What are you doing? This is not what I intended, but that is definitely what's happening. So here I am, accidentally transitioning. And I think I've got everybody running scared. They're like, what are you doing? What are you doing, Shani? You do not want to be natural. And they're right, I don't. Chances are I am going to I'm either going to cream back my hair as soon as I cut it off, because I tried delaying how long I was going to cut it off for as much as I could, because then I was just like, all right, but I don't want to cut it off and then I'm going to just cream it back. And then I eventually got to the place where I thought, okay, but if I cut it off and then I want to cream it back, I kind of look at it like, all right, girl, you have an extremely healthy start. Like, healthy hair, yeah? I'm like, all right, that's not bad. That's a good rationalization to go with. So I'm just like, all right. And then I was just like, all right, if it's natural, you can always just relax again. Right? If you don't like it, you can always just relax again. So that's where I'm at. I'm a little bit excited to see my hair, but I'm also like, I know myself. I know who I am, and I know that I don't have the patience, and I'm probably not one to deal with all of that good stuff. I don't like the rough and tough stuff. I don't want to be in the mirror for an hour dealing with my hair. That's not me. That's not something that I will have the patience to do. It's not something that I would like to do very much. So I'm just really and truly, I'm not disillusioned to think that, oh, I'm just gonna be this happy-go-lucky natural. No, I don't have no patience in a life whatsoever, and I know that it is a very, very high possibility that the second I stop braiding my hair and I have to deal with my hair more than past a couple of weeks, I go and cream it back. Do you know what I'm saying? Because like, I have 2 boxes of relaxers in my bathroom. Bless you.
Thank you.
I have 2 boxes of relaxers in my bathroom, just waiting for the cavalry to call. So I'm not disillusioned or anything like that. I'm excited for the prospect, okay, but I can't see past the point that I want to put my hair in a ponytail for 5 minutes and be out the door. Like, this is another thing. Like, I should probably spend the time to learn to do my makeup a little bit better, but I can't be bothered. Besides, my husband thinks I look pretty without it. I pretty much just, the makeup enhances my eyes. I like a good smoky eye. I feel happy. Right? So anyway, my child is coming in my video. She don't have clothes. Mom life. Yeah. Anyway, I like it. I think I could go out like this. Don't laugh at me. Don't judge me. And Cody, leave me alone. I can feel you judging me through this phone. Leave me alone, Cody. Leave me alone. All right. So basically, that's it. That's where I'm at. I have braids in right now, and I don't foresee that I'm currently 10 months post relaxer, and I don't foresee myself going back to the relaxer yet. I may very well do so when the crap hits the fan and it comes down to the wire, but for now I just want to go through and not have to deal with the hair. I just want to spray up my hair, moisturize it, and go through the door, and that's wonderful, except for the times when I need to take it down and put it back in the braids. But gotta give and take with something, right? Gotta give and take with something. So yeah, that's how I do my makeup fast, real quick. Go through the door. I ain't no makeup artist or anything like that, but you can see my hair be natural as hell. And the braids last less and less the more I'm more natural I get, which is not good for the mental state that I am in. But anyways, guys, thank you for coming to chit chat with me, and that's my hair story. So that's where I'm at right now. I am transitioning by faith and not by sight. Chances are, if I do keep natural hair, I'm gonna be one of those natural hairs that's always wearing my hair straight or wearing braids. But that's okay, right? It's hair. It's hair. You just go with the flow. It's supposed to make you feel beautiful. It's supposed to, and I feel beautiful when I don't have to do anything. Okay? Your girl's trying to avoid the barber chair. But I don't know when I'm going to big chop. If I'm going to big chop, I've decided to give myself at least till a year post relaxer, and that's next month. That's in November. So we'll see. Maybe 2021 I'll make a decision, but for now, I win. Right? See you guys in the next one.